T back again today with another video for you guys. Today we got another mystery box from Statement. Remember I had did one from them a couple of weeks ago. It was a $500 box. Today we doubled it up, man. We got a $1,000 box. So it was $1,000 for the box, $40 for the shipping. But before we jump into that, a couple of you guys was hitting me up asking about the fresh out the box spray that I had brought up in the last video. All the information for that will be down below. If you did not see that video, this right here is a spray for, you know, like give your shoes that brand new smell again. Really good product. It's water based, so it won't stain your kicks. Fresh out the box. I will have all the information down below. Really cool, good stuff. Good people, man. Solid guy. Use that code TGS, it'll save you 10% off your order. It's only 10 bucks, $5 flat rate shipping. I spray this stuff in my room all the time just to keep it smelling like brand new shoes. You literally can spray it like 2 or 3 times in each shoe and it's gonna last for a while. The guy worked some magic on that, man. So hit that link down below and go check that out. Again, use code TGS, that'll save you 10% on that. Save y'all a little bit of change. But today, like I said, we got a $1,000 box from the company Statement. They've been doing me right on their Vita boxes, so I decided to go ahead and rock with them again. Again, this was $1,000 plus the $40 for the shipping. They use that good premium tape. You gotta have a sharp blade to open their boxes. All right, we in there. Well, I thought we were. There we go. Right off top, my boy added some goodies in here again. We got I'm gonna start putting these in when you guys order kicks. I'm just gonna throw a couple of these in because I got a bunch of them. Got another lanyard, and I'll probably keep this. I like these little stickers like that, the little box logos from Statement. So he always throws those goodies in those boxes. We got more in this box than we did the last one. We're gonna just start off with the Statement box itself. Check that out. We hitting right off top, man. Jordan 1 size 12 Biohacs. I've never seen this shoe in person. This is not a dead stock pair. No, this isn't a dead stock pair. I can't really tell, honestly. I don't think it is. No, it's not dead stock. But very clean. Size 12. Biohac. I don't know how I feel about it. I like them. Not gonna lie, I do like them. I'm not a fan of the pink inside, but other than that, they're not bad. Size 12 on those, pre-owned, no box. Off to a strong start. That's a good start. I just like seeing it because I never had those. I've never seen those in hand, so. That's one of the perks to doing these mystery boxes. I don't have to go to the mall to see anything. It always just comes to me. 10.5. We got an Air Jordan 7. Somebody at work was just hitting me up about some 7s. 10.5. Marvin the Martians. Am I getting that correct? I've been kind of slacking on my shoe nicknames lately. These are pre-owned too. No, I don't think these are pre-owned. These look dead stock to me. These look very clean. Definitely dead stock. I don't see any sock lint. With the box, got the shoe inserts. Size 10.5 on these. Not a super expensive 7, but 10.5. Marvin the Martian. Not bad, not bad. Woo, see some good boxes down here. I'm picking and choose. I can't pick and choose though. We'll go ahead and knock this one out. Normally I like doing these boxes last, obviously, because most of the time it's size 12. Another one that I have never seen in hand. These are the Clays. Size 12, pre-owned. These are fire. With the extra laces. Really good shape. Golly. I still like my Pine Green 1.0s out of all the green Jordans all the green ones that came out, but these are hard. I hope I'm not blasting y'all out with the light. But these are pre-owned, minimal toe creasing. I wouldn't say minimal, but not bad. Ones is kind of like one of them deals you can just beat them up and they still gonna look good. Got black laces, got the olive laces, size 12. The box is in great shape. Man, 10.5. I need those. It's just a little different green than that pine green, so I would have probably kept those. They would have been 10.5. We got an Air Jordan 14, size 9. We got the Supreme 14s in a size 9. Check these out. Pre-owned. Honestly, I can't even cap. I was not a fan. You guys know I don't really care if it got Supreme or nothing like that on it. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I know these say Supreme across it. I don't even think these are super expensive or even that much hype, even though they do have Supreme on them. It just, I don't know. These are pre-owned size. Now, I don't have too much to say about these. They are 14, so they was gonna be a hard sale anyway. And then, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what they was doing with that. We got 2 pair left. I'm gonna get this Yeezy. I got an Yeezy in here, size 10. We got the Zebras, size 10. I got like 3 homies looking for these. Not in the 10 though. They all need 10.5, 11, and I can't give them mine. So we got a pre-owned pair of Zebras. Really good shape. Good pre-owned shape. Check out the bottom. That boost is pretty clean on them. This was a $1,000 box, and I'm not disappointed at all. Those clays still go for a lot of money. Even pre-owned, they still go for a lot of money. Yeezy still sell pretty fast. We got one more pair. I saved this because I seen that it was a off-white box. These are the Nike Zoom Flies, the 10, in a size 10. Got that good old swoosh on there. I already have a pair of these in 11.5. I don't have a pair of these. We got those pinks. We got the all pink ones, man. Zoom Flies. I think I've had all of the colorways that came in the off-white of these. These are dead stock. I'm looking and I still see the tag on here, but I know if you guys been watching, some people still leave the tags on shoes even if they wear them. But looking at these, they still look brand new. I'm trying to keep this box from falling over. These are still dead stock. That should be, this is another gold box, man. Statement, man, y'all gotta holler at them. I think he's going to a membership. Well, I know he's going to a membership-based program, just like Soul Supremacy has done, and nobody's been able to get in for like a year or two. So if I was you guys, I would definitely look into that. Follow them on Instagram at Statement. Hit them up. I'm pretty sure that they're going to that membership program soon, and you do not want to be out. I'm not sure what it's gonna cost a month. He told me, or they told me what it's gonna be. I can't remember off top. But you guys see what these boxes looking like. You can go on YouTube and see what their other boxes are looking like. It's not just me that they plug in like this. They doing some real good stuff over there. I don't know how frequently they're gonna be dropping when they do the memberships or whatever, but they keep sending out boxes like this. They're gonna do pretty well. So man, thank you guys for watching. That concludes the $1,000 box. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGotSoul. Instagram, Twitter. I be forgetting I even got a Twitter. I literally just use Twitter to shop, bro. It's sad, but Twitter, Instagram, at TGotSoul for sale, for the for sale page. And you can follow the main page too if you want to. Make sure you hit that sub button. A lot of you guys watching, please hit that thumbs up for me. I guess that does a lot from what other YouTubers be saying. I don't know. I just do this for fun, man. But I appreciate you guys watching. You guys probably be hearing me talk about this stuff for a while. Really good stuff. Code TGS. Link down in the description. You gotta check it out. I swear it smells like brand new shoes. Everybody who I met up with locally too is like, it's legit, man. So try to save y'all some money there. I just dropped it. Make sure you hit that sub button. I'm out. Peace.